Applying to NPO is quite easy. You may go through with some steps to complete your application. Step 1. Open the following link, that is admission.nwpu.edu.cn. Whenever this page will come, and click on the online application. Click on the register button and register your own account. Register account must be your valid email, as the admission officer will inform all the results of your application to the email. If you were an NPU student before by using this portal, please use another email to register again. Step 3. Login in your account and click Apply Now button. On step 4, select the program and language which you want to apply. You may study in English program or in Chinese program. After that, you have to choose your desired subject and hit Apply Now. On step 6, click Start button and start your application. Then the personal information entry page will come. Fill in the information in the form and the red star part are required fields. You won't be able to go to the next page if you don't fill in the red star part. And fill your name and your marital status and your date of birth and everything correctly. For financial support, it should be filled in the third party who can ensure you can afford the relevant fee. It can be filled in the scholarship or the NPO. When you finish, please select Save and Next button. After that, the document scan section will come. Upload your own documents and all red star parts are required field. The language proficiency certificate is one of the mandatory documents if you are not come from the Chinese or English native speaking country. In some special case, please send email to admission@nwpu.edu.cn. When you finish and upload all the documents that is required, click Next button. After that, select Scholarship or Self-Paying and click Next button. For undergrad applicants, you can apply for Chinese government scholarship, bilateral scholarship that is offered by local Chinese embassies, NPU President Scholarship, Belt and Road Scholarship, and hit on the Next button. Next step is the paying application fee. You can choose credit card or debit card. Bank transfer is also acceptable. If you choose bank transfer, you need to upload your receipt on the online system. Admission officers will check your receipt and decide if it is correct on weekdays work time. If your receipt on the systems haven't changed after 3 weekdays, you can contact us directly through the email. All students who want to apply for NPO need to pay the application fee. Point to be noted that you can't submit your application until you pay the application fee. After successfully paying the application fee, you may submit and you may complete your application. After submitting your application, wait for the further review by the admission team. Admission team will be organized to review your application and you will be notified for further interview by email if you meet the requirements. If you still have any questions, let us know. Scan the QR code and get in touch.